Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal under 18. PayPal's user agreement mandates account holders be at least 18 years old, primarily due to legal contract requirements. Attempting to create an account directly while underage could result in permanent suspension, impacting your ability to use the platform in the future. Fortunately, a fully legitimate and secure method exists, allowing you to manage online transactions effectively with proper guidance. The officially recognized and safest approach for individuals under 18 is to operate under a parent or legal guardian's PayPal account. This ensures complete compliance with PayPal's strict age requirements and terms of service, preventing potential account issues later on. Your guardian maintains full legal responsibility for the account, providing a secure framework for your online financial activities. It is a straightforward solution that respects all platform guidelines. First, your parent or guardian needs to create their personal PayPal account if they do not already possess one. They will securely link their bank account or a primary debit card to facilitate transactions. Once established, they can receive payments for your services or send money to others on your behalf. Transparent communication about every transaction ensures clarity and builds trust, fostering a responsible financial environment. Establish a clear understanding with your parent regarding how the account will be used and how funds will be managed. Your guardian can easily transfer received funds into your own bank account or use them for agreed-upon online purchases. Always confirm any proposed transaction with them prior to execution, ensuring mutual consent. Responsible usage, coupled with respecting any limits your guardian sets, is absolutely key for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.